Excited and nervous.
Okay.
Okay, so... Okay.
You want to stand on the...
Yeah, on the other side, yeah.
The remote, yeah.
Oh, I see, right. So you're not actually turning it off and on?
You're just putting a label on it.
Right.
Later on you can find your label.
Right. Okay, so left, ooh, left, okay. Yeah. Well, this is so fun to get this view.
Oh, you know what? The volleyball nets are back up.
Oh, that's great. Oh, you can really see the Cluedo house. Because from way back there, last, Thursday's paddle, it didn't look... Oh, I see. So where do you want to head for?
So, like Whalers Cove, actually.
Okay.
It's a straight line, Prospect Cove.
Okay, all right, I see. Yeah, okay, let's do it. Wow, look at all the people are camping out. Yeah, it's not. It doesn't feel tippy. Yeah. Well, a little tippy there. I spoke too soon. Did you feel that? Felt a little tippy on the bow. Sure if it's an otter. Oh yes, it is. It is an otter. Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely feel it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at the water breaking there in the corner. Ah.
Yeah, you notice there's a change in the swell conditions as we get to this point, right?
Yeah.
So I think we're over, okay, we have to study this shot.
Yeah.
Something right now.
Yeah. Oh, that broke over the bow. Oh shit. Okay, should we turn?
Yeah.
Okay, so which way are we turning? Yes, okay, left. Woo! Okay. That was exciting. It was like, whew. Ah. Good. Pointing towards Santa Cruz. Check it out, check it out, check it out. There's Frank. Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I see. Yes. There's an otter. Okay, left paddle, left paddle. Yes. Yeah, they are. Okay, GoPro, can you see the otter? I'm facing the otter. Otter. Nap. He's having his after breakfast nap. Oh, I'm getting tired. Be glad to get out of this wind. Yeah, I'm glad we came when we did, not half an hour later. It's good we can tell it. This is about the limit, right? Oh, well done.